25 years old. I just finished my university studies and I'll show you why I'm the best applicant for this youth exchange. Sometimes I just feel that my life is a prison. So I want to go outside of there and just see the world.
He is a great guy, let him end into your thoughts.
It happened to me several days. Wake up in the morning, looking myself at the mirror and thinking, this is not the life I want to have. I just decided that things have to change. Now, I really make an effort to appreciate more the little things in life. Life is full of ups and downs. But I am always extremely motivated, ready to learn new things and to live new experiences. Stop looking for other applicants. I am the one you want. I am the one you need.